Hello fellow riders, welcome back to channel. So, your motorcycle just hit 20,000 kilometers, a real milestone. Many see this as just another service, but it's much more. It's your chance to transform your bike. At this point, your machine has finished its apprenticeship. The factory parts have served you well, but now some are past their prime. Instead of just swapping old for old, why not upgrade? This is your opportunity to elevate your bike from good to brilliant. We're not talking about a basic oil change. We're talking targeted upgrades for better performance, reliability, and enjoyment. Be proactive. Replace tired parts with superior ones before they fail. In this guide, we'll cover the key areas to focus on at the 20,000 kilometers mark. I'll show you what to look for, which upgrades matter, and how to get the most from your machine. It's not about spending a fortune, but about spending smart. This is where your bike becomes truly exceptional. Let's get started. Why bother with upgrades? Simple. Potential. Your bike is built to a budget using parts that are good enough for the average rider. But you're not average. You want the best from your machine. Upgrades unlock the performance your bike was designed for, letting it breathe and run more efficiently. Small changes, like better air filters or spark plugs, mean smoother throttle, improved fuel economy, and a more responsive ride. Reliability is key too. Worn parts are weak links that can leave you stranded. Proactively replacing them with quality upgrades means fewer breakdowns and more peace of mind. This is preventative maintenance with real benefits. Upgrading is about making your bike truly yours, understanding it, taking pride in it, and enjoying every ride more. You'll feel a stronger connection, more confidence, and deeper satisfaction. You're not just replacing parts, you're enhancing your whole riding experience. Take a bike you love and make it even better. That's priceless. Let's start small but important. Spark plugs. Standard copper plugs wear out after thousands of sparks, leading to rough idle, hesitation, and worse fuel economy. Sure, you could fit new copper plugs, but now's the time to upgrade to iridium. Iridium plugs have a finer, tougher electrode, creating a stronger, more reliable spark. The result? Smoother idle, crisper throttle, and often better fuel efficiency. They last 2 to 3 times longer than copper, saving you money over time. Ignoring spark plugs leads to misfires, stutters, and carbon buildup. For a small investment, iridium plugs are a fit-and-forget upgrade with real benefits. Don't let worn plugs hold your bike back. Upgrade now, and enjoy a more responsive engine every time you ride. It's one of the easiest, most cost-effective improvements you can make. Your engine and your wallet will thank you. Simple, smart, and effective. Next, let's talk about air filters. Your engine needs clean air, but standard paper filters are restrictive and disposable. High-flow filters, made from cotton gauze or foam, let more air in, boosting power and throttle response. They're reusable. Just clean, re-oil, and reinstall. The upfront cost is higher, but they last the life of your bike and reduce waste. Ignore your air filter and your engine gets starved, runs rich, and loses power. Upgrade to a high-flow filter for better performance and long-term savings. It's a simple swap with a big impact. Keep your engine breathing easy. Your bike will feel more alive. Now, the cooling system, often overlooked until it's too late. Coolant breaks down over time, losing its ability to protect and cool your engine. Old coolant can corrode parts, clog radiators, and cause leaks. Don't just top up, flush the system completely and refill with fresh, high-quality coolant. Consider long life or waterless coolants for even better protection and higher boiling points. Ignoring this can lead to overheating and catastrophic engine damage. A coolant flush is cheap insurance for your engine's health. Keep your bike running at the right temperature. It's a simple job that prevents expensive repairs. Treat your engine to a fresh start. Stay cool, ride safe. Let's talk clutch, your link to the gearbox. At 20,000 kilometers, inspect both the clutch cable and plates. Cables stretch and fray, leading to a spongy lever or sudden failure. Replace any cable that feels gritty or shows wear. Don't risk getting stranded. Clutch plates wear down, causing slip. Engine revs rise, but speed doesn't. If you notice slip, replace friction and steel plates, plus springs for best results. Upgraded springs prevent future slip, especially if you've tuned your engine. Ignoring clutch issues makes your bike less rideable and less safe. A fresh cable and plates restore crisp, reliable power delivery. Stay in control. Upgrade before problems start. It's a small job with a big impact on performance. Keep your ride smooth and responsive. Suspension is key for comfort and control. Fork oil degrades over time, losing its ability to dampen bumps and keep your tires planted. Old oil means a bouncy, vague front end, bad for handling and safety. Change the fork oil to restore stability and confidence. While you're at it, adjust your suspension preload to match your weight. Proper setup transforms your bike's feel. Better grip, braking, and cornering. Most riders ignore suspension, but it makes a huge difference. Worn oil and poor setup mean less comfort and more risk. A fork oil change and preload adjustment make your bike sharper and safer. Don't settle for a tired ride. Refresh your suspension and enjoy every mile. Your bike will handle like new. Ride with confidence. Finally, let's check your battery and headlight. Batteries lose charge over time. Test yours with a multimeter. If it's weak, replace it before it leaves you stranded. Consider AGM or lithium batteries for longer life and less weight. Upgrade your headlight to LED for brighter, whiter light. LEDs are plug and play, last longer, and make you more visible. Better lighting means safer riding. See hazards sooner, and be seen by others. Don't risk a dead battery or dim headlight. These simple upgrades boost reliability and safety. Your bike will start every time and light up the road ahead. Small changes, big difference. Stay visible, stay safe. Happy riding.